What's going on, YouTube? This your boy Drew Kane, man. I told you the next video was gonna be to put the Hub Centric Rings on the wheel. Here go the Hub Centric Rings that I got. Hope y'all can see it. Let me turn it this way. Hopefully y'all can see it. I bought them off YouTube. Not YouTube. Sorry, y'all. I bought them off eBay. In order to get the Hub Centric Rings, you must know the size of your hubs that's on the car, which I looked that up, and I haven't tried these, so I don't know. So at the time, now that I'm doing the video, I'm gonna go ahead and rotate the tire, put the one on the back, on the front. So I'll get back with you. Okay, YouTube, I got the wheel off. It's the hub that I got to get it and try it on. Here go the wheel. I'm gonna take got a wire brush, put on the drill and go over it right quick. Get all these leaves out of here. I don't think I'm gonna wash it today. Let me go to the back. I'm gonna clean it up right quick. I'm gonna cut you back on. Kind of hard, YouTube, doing it with one hand, trying to record, but I'm just gonna basically get it like this. And I'm gonna walk over here, get my rag, just hit it a little bit. Got some penetrating oil right here. They take a little penetrating oil. Don't let it get on the rotor. Try not to let it get on there, but that right there, I put that on there just, the Hub Centric ring, it won't get, kind of wedged in. And do that one the same way. Just a little bit. I ain't put a whole lot because I ain't worried about it getting wedged in there. Wipe it a little bit. Now we finna try on the Hub Centric ring. Here they go right here. I'm gonna get them open. First of all, YouTube, I don't even know if they fit yet. Let's try. I think they fit. Yeah, they fit real good. I just don't want them to get wedged in. So let's try it on the back of the wheel. This particular wheel right here. Sorry about that. Got cut off, YouTube. This right here particular wheel going on the back. So it slides in like that. You know what I'm saying? They slide it back there. We're gonna put it on. All right, I'm gonna set you down real quick. There you go, YouTube. You can definitely. We're gonna put the lugs on. Try to do it with one hand. Try. Hold on. Get it started. Let me cut you back on. Okay, I got that one in there. Now we're gonna put the next one in there and see, cause last time I had to basically hold it. I couldn't just, look. It just threw right on. So now it's centric. It's centric in the wheels, not lug centric no more. It's hub centric. So got a lot I got to do the other side. I ain't gonna show y'all both sides because it's several videos already on YouTube about this, but I just want to do my experience on it and see how it is, and I like it. Everything going together like it's supposed to. And this particular one that's on the front, I put it on here. I got to get it off. I think I'm about to get some. Now I can just really bump it on now. It fits the hub good. So if I have to get it off, I probably more likely I'll be able to get something and pull it off. It ain't that penetrating order that I put on there should be helpful in the future. But that's all it is, YouTube. Just put the Hub Centric ring. Now they're not lug centric no more. That's hub centric. So they back like they was if they were factory wheels on the car, which will improve the ride. Everything is lined up like it should be. Even though I wasn't having no problems with it, but that's just how it is. We're going to do a video, I don't know when, but we're going to paint and clean up under him real good. And we're going to paint it. We're going to paint the hub, not the hub, but the caliper. We're going to paint the caliper red, make it look better. So we're going to do that. So be looking for that video. I don't know when I'm going to do that, because I think the next video going to be me changing the spark plugs in it. So be on the lookout for that. Y'all share, like, subscribe. Don't trust your brother. Give me a thumbs up on the video. Don't even trust. I know a lot of y'all watching. Y'all ain't really got no questions. That's good. Just like the video. Trust nobody. Don't trust your girl.